I'm trying to wave my hand. I look like an alien. Ah! What up, Jens and Jets? It's Pulsar. Today we'll be doing Spice and Wolf episode 20. This will be. I'm assuming this is going to be the last arc of the series, right? And so this is coming off of the whole tail end of the Amadi arc, which just happens to be it was funny because that arc put me through the business, man. I was shaking my fist at every episode because it was depriving me of Holo. I was saying it, man. Every time I was like, if they don't give me Holo, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed, right? And then come episode 20, the whole arc paid itself off. I'm like, fine, good job, good job. And so yeah, I guess what you could say here is that they're kind of, I don't know if they've like officially announced their feelings, but I think they're. I mean, look at the picture. Look at the picture. They're in it, right? So I think they're probably gonna make it very clear what's going on. If they don't make it clear, I'll be mad. But I mean, at this point, they know they're in. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I think we'll just hop into it. I'm guessing they're gonna have to leave the town, and so it's gonna be like all like previous like Spice and Wolf episodes where it's gonna be them transitioning from one area to another area, and then they'll get to the new area, and that'll be the final arc of the story. I imagine. I don't know, but here, let's just go into it. Here we go. Three, two. Oh yeah, yeah. That's how this works, right? There's a playback timer at the. Hold on. Down there, down there. Yeah, the bottom left, and that's gonna be where I am at the episode. So if you want to throw on the episode, you can watch it with me. I'm very noisy, so be warned. All right, here we go. Three, two, one. Oh wait, see. My bad, my bad, my bad. Don't do it. My three. There we go. Three, two, one. There we go. My mouse cable got stuck underneath my keyboard and I couldn't press the button. Was she in pain? Or is she cold? Oh! I mean, that's that's quite the way to start the episode, I would say. I would have to whatever say like I think that's a completely different vibe than what everything we've had so far. I appreciate that. But yeah, it looks like they are traveling to their new destination. I wonder what they're carrying in terms of goods, if anything, now, right? Because I think maybe Lawrence just has a bunch of silver because the whole Amadi thing resolved, right? And so I think he made a pretty decent profit selling the pyrite, right? And then they crashed the market, so they must be pretty wealthy right now, right? Oh yeah, yeah. So it's probably gonna be this arc, right? With I'm guessing she's a scribe. I wonder what they'll do. I'm really curious too how much merchanting is that a thing I could say? How much commercing they'll be doing? If I want to say they're rich, dude. They got to be rich. They're loaded. And anyways, we're gonna have like this spiel where Holo's gonna rip into Lawrence for stepping on her tail. Oh, it's been a while since we just had Holo booty. It's just out. Damn, she's up for vengeance, man. Oh, she's still wearing that scarf is from Amadi, right? Could be wrong. Oh, right. Right. They still wanted to go. She still wants to see her hometown. Right. I would be so annoyed. Yeah. This is like you get a quest from like an NPC, and then it's like a like 10 sequences of just talking to NPCs about your actual quest. They have flour. Sorry, I was like thinking about it. Yeah, see, I told you like they made bank in the Amadi situation. Dude, just imagine you're just like some random person just hear this girl just constantly yelling, berating this guy. That's a pretty cool looking building. I wonder if they're gonna skip this town ASAP. Oh, they are just gonna go. Wow, okay. So they didn't sell the flower, right? Like the guy just said they couldn't like afford it. I don't know why I feel very obligated to like keep track of what they have in stock. Damn, she's been sleeping a lot. Oh, is it gonna be I was wondering like don't they use these things to like churn flour and stuff into something? Man, this guy's giving me bad vibes. Oh, okay. Hmm. I don't like this vibe. I don't like this vibe at all. Weird. So bizarre. Maybe he's just really lonely. Hmm. It was so bizarre, that exchange. Why? What? Why wouldn't they like Miller's? Miller. That sucks. That sucks. So I wonder if Holo's gonna go and get some hot water here, because like they need another story or something, right, to cover Holo. Let's see. Is it all dudes? It is all dudes. Oh, is this a church that you can't actually enter? What is this vibe? Oh, you can't go in. Okay. So where's the official preset? Damn, it looks like she's like super stressed, dude. I wonder how they protect their goods when they're just chilling in the inn and stuff. Why, dude? She's been sleeping so much. Oh my god. So much holo butt. Yeah, why has she been so sleepy? That is snake? No, I can't tell. I think it is a viper. That's way better vibe. Iwaza. I wonder why they'd be talking about him so much. I mean, I'm guessing there's no one really goes here. That seems pretty intense. I wonder if he's able to be like this because they're so well off right now. Damn, he came right on in. I wonder what would you do here? Like, if you need to get information, and then you assume that the priest, she's still out. I wonder why she's sleeping so much. Like, this is not normal, right? Like, this is enough that you notice it that she's sleeping a lot. Every scene she's been in, she's been sleeping. Hmm. Is he going to the church? He's in the opening, and he's yeah. Is he going inside the church? Uh oh. He's just saying, "My God." It is leverage. Thinking about this episode, just letting it digest for a second here. Oh, I just realized in that picture you can see Amadi reaching for like the marriage contract. It's very funny. It's standing right now. So yeah, like no, I'm like really thinking about this because so I don't really remember how far they are actually from the homeland, right? From Holo's homeland because so they're trying to go to Terrio, right? No, they're at Terrio right now, right? Is that what it was? I forget. Well, either way, they're at a location and they're trying to find an abbey that has directions to get to the other area that they need to get to. That I don't think necessarily is the location that they need to get to. I could be wrong. I think unless they are only 2 stops away from their actual destination, so like this is like the last puzzle of the story before they can move on. I mean, it could be. I guess I should just talk about the. I still think it's kind of weird that Holo is sleeping a lot. So, all right, there you go. Bam. Like, yeah, like why is Holo sleeping so much? You know, that's something I was thinking about. But I mean, like Lawrence didn't bring it up, so I'm guessing maybe it's not actually a factor for him. Like that's just what it is. So maybe it's not really a thing. I'm just looking into it too much. But moving on with that, they are really closing in on everything. I think towards like ending the show right now, right? Well, I don't mean okay. It can't just end with them getting to the destination, right? Like it has to resolve in some way. I hope it's meaningful. But I mean, I was pretty. I was thinking about like I don't want to say anything because like I was really doubtful of how they're gonna end the Amadi arc, but the Amadi arc paid off really well in my opinion. So I'm gonna hope, fingers crossed, that this show has like a really good ending as well. Other than that, I don't know what there's really to say. They're in the new location and all the pieces have been set, right? So I guess they have the Miller guy, who's I don't know if they're in a relationship together. Maybe they're siblings. I don't know. They could be siblings. But I'm guessing the way it probably is a relationship because Lawrence kind of like closed the door maybe on them and thinking that maybe they are up to like some kind of romance. And I'm curious what that. Oh, is that why? I don't know if tensions are high because of the church and the because he was saying how the Miller people like or the people don't like the Miller and the Miller's seeing the church girl, and I wonder if that's like causing a lot of tensions right now. Maybe I don't know. I guess I'll just have to look. We'll just have to wait for episode 22, man. And I think that's probably what I'll do. So I guess I'll see you guys for next week, man. I have a lot of questions, but it's all like conjecture right now. So I'm gonna just turtle it out and I'll wait till next week. Everyone, take care of yourselves, man. I'll see you next week. Peace out.